When it comes to enhancing the appearance and value of your home in Florence, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is replacing your front door. As the first thing visitors and potential buyers see, your front door serves as a key focal point in creating a welcoming atmosphere. A new, stylish door doesn't just improve the aesthetic of your home, it can also make a significant difference in your home's overall value. In this article, we'll explore how door replacement can enhance curb appeal, improve your home's energy efficiency, and ultimately increase its market value. First impressions matter. Enhancing curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first features people notice when approaching your home. It sets the tone for the entire exterior and contributes to your home's first impression. If your door is outdated, damaged, or simply not in alignment with your home's style, it can detract from the overall appearance of your property. On the other hand, a new front door offers a fresh, updated look that enhances your home's curb appeal and creates a welcoming entrance. By choosing a door that suits the style of your home, whether it's modern, traditional, or rustic, you can instantly transform the way your property is perceived. Whether you opt for a bold color, classic wooden design, or a sleek fiberglass door, replacing an old door with a new one can increase the visual appeal of your home, making it stand out in Florence's neighborhoods. Improving security and peace of mind. In addition to aesthetics, your front door plays a critical role in the security of your home. An old or poorly constructed door can be an easy target for burglars, leaving your home vulnerable. Replacing your door with a sturdy, impact-resistant model can provide peace of mind and improve your home's security. Modern doors made from steel, fiberglass, or solid wood are built to be more durable and secure. Many new doors come equipped with advanced locking systems like multi-point locks or deadbolts, offering better protection against break-ins. This added security feature not only enhances your peace of mind but also makes your home a safer place for you and your family. By investing in a new front door, you not only boost your home's curb appeal but also contribute to its long-term security. Energy efficiency and comfort. Another major benefit of door replacement is the energy efficiency it offers. In Florence, where the summers can be hot and the winters can bring a chill, having a well-insulated door is essential to keeping your home comfortable year-round. Older doors, particularly those made of wood or metal, are often poorly insulated, allowing heat to escape in the winter and cool air to escape during the summer. Energy-efficient doors are designed to provide a better seal, reducing drafts and keeping your home's interior temperature stable. Many new doors come with insulated cores and weather stripping, which help maintain a comfortable indoor climate and reduce the need for excessive heating and cooling. This not only increases your comfort but also lowers your energy bills. By replacing an outdated door with an energy-efficient model, you can enjoy a more comfortable home while also saving money on your monthly utility costs. Increasing home value. When you replace your front door, you're not just improving the appearance of your home, you're also increasing its market value. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years or are looking to sell, a new front door can significantly enhance your home's value. A modern, well-constructed door adds to your home's overall appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers. In Florence, where the real estate market can be competitive, buyers are often looking for homes with updated features, including energy-efficient windows and doors. A beautiful front door can make a strong first impression and could even help your home sell faster and for a higher price. Investing in a new front door offers a high return on investment, ROI, making it one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make for your home. Low maintenance and durability. Older doors often require ongoing maintenance, from sanding and painting wooden doors to replacing damaged frames. New doors, especially those made from fiberglass or steel, are designed to be low maintenance and long-lasting. These materials resist wear and tear from the elements and require very little upkeep. For example, fiberglass doors are highly resistant to dents, scratches, and fading, and they won't warp or swell from moisture, making them a great choice for the Florence climate. Additionally, many new doors come with durable finishes that withstand UV rays and weather conditions, so you won't have to worry about repainting or refinishing them regularly. This durability and low-maintenance nature of modern doors ensure that your home continues to look great for years to come, without the constant need for repairs. Customization options for every style. One of the most exciting aspects of door replacement is the wide range of customization options available. Whether you want a classic wood design, a modern steel door, or a fiberglass door with a decorative glass insert, you can choose the perfect door to match your home's aesthetic. You can also customize features such as color, hardware, and glass options to ensure the door complements your home's architecture. The ability to personalize your front door means you can create a welcoming entryway that reflects your style and personality, adding to your home's overall charm and appeal. Conclusion: a smart investment for Florence homeowners. Replacing your front door is a smart investment that offers a range of benefits for Florence homeowners. From improving your home's curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing its security and increasing its market value, a new front door is a simple but effective way to upgrade your home. Whether you're looking to enjoy a more comfortable living space or add value to your property, door replacement is a wise choice that delivers long-term benefits. If you're ready to enhance your home's exterior, improve its security, and increase its value, consider investing in a new front door that suits your style and needs. It's a change that not only boosts your home's aesthetic appeal but also contributes to its overall functionality and durability.